this video, you learn how to perform DNA library preparation for whole genome sequencing using Nanopore platform. These are materials required. Now let's move to sample preparation. We quantify the concentration of extracted phage DNA using the qubit double-strand DNA BR assay kit. First, prepare working solution by diluting the BR reagent 1 to 200 in BR buffer. Next, calibrate the qubit fluorometer by preparing the standards. Add 10 microliter of BR standard 1 or standard 2 to 190 microliter of working solution in separate qubit tubes. Once calibration is complete, the instrument is ready to quantify the phage DNA. Finally, add 1 microliter of phage DNA to 199 microliter of working solution and measure the DNA concentration. We begin with DNA repair and end preparation. Combine the following components. Mix and briefly spin down the tube. Perform reaction using the PCR program below. Next, proceed with the barcode ligation. Add the following reagents for one sample. Mix by gently flicking the tube, then incubate at 20 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Barcode ligation product cleanup. Add 37.5 microliter of hyperpure beads to the pool ligation reaction and mix by gently flicking the tube. Incubate on a hollow mixer for 10 to 20 minutes at room temp. Spin down the sample and pellet on the magnetic stand for 5 minutes. The DNA now bound to the magnetic beads. Keep the tube on the magnetic stand until the elude is clear and colorless, and pipette off the supernatant. Wash the bead with 700 microliter of freshly repaired 80% ethanol without disturbing the pellet. Remove the ethanol using a pipette and discard. Allow to dry for 30 seconds. Remove the tube from magnetic stand and resuspend the pellet in 15 microliter nuclear-free water. Pellet the bead on the magnetic stand until the elude is clear and colorless. Remove and retain 15 microliter of elude DNA into a clean Eppendorf tube. Adapter ligation and cleanup. In an Eppendorf DNA tube, combine the following reagents in the order listed. Mix by gently flicking the tube, then incubate at 20 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After incubation, repeat the DNA library cleanup step. Finally, elute the library in 14 microliter and transfer the elute DNA to the clean tube. Priming and loading to flow cells. Turn the wheel of the pipette until a small volume of buffer is visible entering the pipette tip. Load 800 microliter of priming mix into the flow cell through the priming port, taking care to avoid introducing air bubbles. Wait for 5 minutes. During this time, prepare the sequencing library. Before loading sample, open both priming port and spot on sample port. Add 70 microliter of prepared library to the flow cell via the spot on sample port in a slow, dropwise manner. Gently replace the spot on sample port cover, ensuring the bond is correctly seated in the spot on port. Close the priming port and replace the lid. The flow cell is now ready for sequence.